Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c colon and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command cd space c colon /. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.